Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't know. Give me this sweat, Kaya man. Waves rolling with hypnotic sway, it's ensuring ripping me ease. Me stand firm beside the sand, feeling messages in the breeze. Salts and wrap me like a cloak, calming every restless thought. Ocean drum beat, ancient song, teaching lessons never born. The tide embrace the sandy floor, shaping patterns wide and clean, marking stories left behind, hidden things we never seen. Me feel the pulse of distant worlds, traveling through the foamy crest, showing how connection deep, always live inside the chest. A gull fly low and cry a tune, echo stretch across the space, mixing with the ocean roar, sending healing through the place. All the waves are chanting time, sinking perfect you together, forming harmony so strong, it lifts me heart like feather. Ocean drum awakening, calling souls to rise and sing. Every crash a message wise, flowing through the open skies. Ocean drum, steady roll, cleansing edges of the soul. Carry doubts far out to sea, set the inner spirit free. Me walk deeper in the foam, cold but soothing to the skin. Like the waves I wash my worries, cooling everything within. The horizon stretched so far, promising a world unseen, guiding eyes to look beyond, past the places we have been. A sudden breeze lift up the surf, sparkling trails across the blue, painting lines of living art, shaping visions fresh and new. Me let the silence fill my heart, blending with the ocean tone. Every rhythm, every way, speak of courage we must own. Let the water lift your mind, leave the heavy thoughts behind. Feel the current shape your view, bring renewal shining through. Every swell and every break, give your strength in what you make. Ocean drum awakening, calling souls to rise and sing. Every crash a message wise, flowing through the open skies. Ocean drum, steady roll, cleansing edges of the soul. Carry doubts far out to sea, set the inner spirit free. So when life get loud and wild, walk beside the ocean's beat. Let the rhythm calm your heart, grounding you from head to feet. Ocean drum, forever play, lifting burdens one by one. Guide your spirit through the storm, till the brighter days come. river wake before the sun, rolling deep with ancient grace. Water sparkle like living gems, dancing soft in sacred space. Me sit on the riverbank warm, feeling time just drift away. Nature hold me gently close, bringing balance to midday. The Riverstone cool and smooth, shaped by journeys long and wide. Every corner mark a tale, carried through the timeless tide. Me dip me hand in the waves, sense the rhythm of the stream. Life remind me what it teach, nothing constant as it seem. Me watch the water curl and spin, carving stories through the sand. Every ripple speak of hope, traveling across the land. A harmony of crash and calm, blending strong with peaceful flow, showing how true strength can be soft, just like river currents go. Riverstone echo flow, guide the heart and help it grow. Carry burdens down the line, wash them clean in humble shine. Riverstone echo deep, secrets that the water keep. Hear the message as it glide, wisdom moving with the tide. The river play a gentle song, tapping beats on roots and logs, calling creatures small and large, turtles, fishes, birds and frogs. Me feel connected to it all, like the river speak me name, telling me to trust the path, even when life twists the game. Further down the water widen, greeting banks with mighty sweep, reflecting light from skies above, resting moments calm and deep. The river teach me patience slow, show me how to bend not break. Every flow a sacred move, every shift a chance to wake. Let the water guide your mind, leave the heavy things behind. Let the current free your soul, help you find your highest role. River wisdom never lie, truth reflected in the sky. Riverstone echo flow, guide the heart and help it grow. Carry burdens down the line, wash them clean in humble shine. Riverstone echo deep, secrets that the water keep. Hear the message as it glide, wisdom moving with the tide. So when trouble clouds your view, walk to where the river run. Let the flow restore your peace, shining bright like morning sun. Riverstone echo call, follow gently where it laid. In the water's endless voice, you find everything you need. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, no, no. In the quiet early dawn, the mountain breeze a hum soft tune. Clouds drift slow like ancient tales, guiding the soul to rise soon. Me close my eyes, me feel the peace, the heartbeat blend with morning air. A meditation through nature's voice, healing the mind from every care. Stone pathways echo memories, old footsteps mixed with timeless sound. Songs from elders whisper low, carried by the earth around. Me walk along the winding trail, spirit come like river flow. Every leaf a sacred Same thought for something new. Me feel the universe align. Every breath a cosmic link to the presence of the land. Me find more clarity to think. Whisper of the hills guide me way. Show me strength through night and day. Carry me when times get rough. Hold me out when life feels tough. Whisper of the hills keep me strong. Teach me where me soul belong. Nature song I lift me high. Bless me path beneath the sky. Me hear the wind craft melodies sweet. Storytelling in its tone. Voices ancient rise again, proving we never walk alone. The horizon stretch out wide, full of promise, full of grace. Every moment build me up, steady in me inner place. Down below the valley bloom, colored waves of living art. Birds move soft like floating dreams, soothing even troubled heart. The world may shift but here me find stillness woven deep and true. A sanctuary untouched by noise, where my spirit start anew. Hold the breath, feel the breeze, calm the mind, find the ease. Let the mountain guard your light, keep your vision shining bright. Every echo, every tone, strengthen you from flesh to bone. Whisper of the hills guide me way. Show me strength through night and day. Carry me when times get rough. Hold me out when life feels tough. Whisper of the hills keep me strong. Teach me where me soul belong. Nature song I lift me high. Bless me path beneath the sky. So when the world feel heavy still, remember the hillside call. Let the calmness wrap your soul, lifting burdens big and small. In the silence of the land, you find the truth you seek inside. Whisper of the hills remain, always here for be your guide. Na na na, na na na, na na na. Ay ay ay, Jah bless the world and the people. Yeah man, yeah man, yeah man, yeah man, yeah man, yeah man. Oh I, me gaze on the mountain peak, truth me see. Wind whisper through the leaves, ancient beliefs. Me heart strong, me mind free, like the sea. Me climb through storm and cold, story told. Every scar me carry proud, say it loud. Them try to push me down, me wear me crown. Faith higher than the sky, me never die. Me see the wicked boast them gain, still vain. Them no build pan righteous and it can't stand. Me plant love deep in a soil, true tile. Mountains rise through Jah grace, light up the place. Shoop, 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 shoop. Mountains will rise, hearts will grow. Through Jah light we overflow. Mountains will rise, faith so strong. Jah carry all along. Mountains will rise, hearts will grow. Through Jah light we overflow. Mountains will rise, faith so strong. Jah carry all along. Listening for the humble and weak, truth them seek. Every voice in harmony, unity. The power no come from gold, but story told. Mountains move when we believe. Jah achieve. Me look cross valley wide, hope inside. Each
sunrise I promise new blessings true. Even when the rain fall hard, Jah guard. Mountains stand tall and feel love everywhere. Me no bow, me no fall, Jah guide all. Me climb higher through the fight, see the light. Every struggle shape my soul, make me whole. Look, chuk, 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 chuk. Mountains will rise, hearts will grow. Through Jah light we overflow. Mountains will rise, faith so strong. Jah carry all along. Mountains rise, Babylon fall. Hear Jah call. Faith the power, love the key, set we free. Mountains rise, Babylon fall. Hear Jah call. Faith the power, love the key, set we free. The top, me give thanks from the ranks. Jah mountain stand eternal light under the sky. Yeah man, give me the paper, yeah man. Me sit by the river bend, where peace never end. Water whisper soft and low, tell me things me need to know. Each ripple speak truth again, wash away the pain. Me look on the mountain tall, hear Jah call. Me heart clean like crystal stream, flow with dream. No riches, no gold me chase. Me live by grace, river of wisdom guide me tone, lead me home. Me see the wicked thirst for gain, them drink in vain. Them no know Jah spirit flow from long ago. Each drop a message true from me to you. River never run dry, Jah supply. River of wisdom carry we soul. Wash the burden, make we whole. River of wisdom never still. Flow through life by Jah will. Me see the youth them try to fight, hold on tight. Me tell them stay true to the way, Jah never stray. Each tide teach me patience deep, truth me keep. Every wave a holy sign, divine line. Me plant me roots in humble ground, hear the sound. Birds sing praises pon the breeze, me find ease. River whisper ancient lore, me learn more. Wisdom flood me heart and mind, peace me find. Me no rush, me no race, me move with grace. Each step me take me feel secure. Love pure, river flow eternal song, keep me strong. River of wisdom carry we soul. Wash the burden, make we whole. River of wisdom never still. Flow through life by Jah will. They a river of wisdom guide we through. All things new flow from Zion down to sea. Forever free. Me give thanks for the lessons learned. Heart still burn. River whisper soft and kind. Eternal peace me find.
Kaya and sweet ka by my side, yeah man. Na 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 na. Kaya na 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 na. Kaya na sit beside the river bank. Give Jah thanks, me soul give thanks. Water whisper holy song. Peace and healing all around. Me see the stream move slow and wise. Me read the truth inside me eyes. Every ripple, every flow, carry message Jah bestow. Me drop me fears, me wash me pain. Jah river cleanse again. From the mountain top it fall. Blessing flow for one and all. Me chant for life, me chant for peace. Righteousness never cease. The river teach me how to be calm and full of melody. It show me how the time will heal and how the truth reveal. Yeah, river of Jah flow strong, wash away the wrong now. One love, one song, one way, guide me night and day. Flow through the people, flow through the land. Jah water bless every hand. Me see the children play and sing. Jah creation everything. Me feel the breeze, me feel the grace. Peace and joy in every place. Me know the river never ends. It flow round every bend. Elders smile and youth rejoice. Nature sing in one voice. No fear, no hate, no greed. Just Jah fulfilling need. Every soul become the tide. Flow together, side by side. Me flow with Jah, me never tire. His word me heart's desire. No drought can stop the stream. Love forever dream. Yeah, river of Jah flow strong, wash away the wrong. One love, one song, one way, guide me night and day. Flow through the people, flow through the land. Jah water bless every hand. So when the days feel dry and long, remember the river song. It flow within, it flow without. Jah love remove all doubt. Da 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 da.
Ay ay ay, kaya kush yaman. When the morning first appear, throne of dawn is drawing near. Every ray a golden fire, throne uplift the spirit higher. Babylon kingdom fade away, throne of dawn declare the day. Every color pure and bright, throne of dawn reveal the light. Prophet chant with voice so strong, throne of dawn correct the wrong. Every judgment bold and true, throne of dawn for me and you. Night is gone, no more disguise, throne of dawn before our eyes. Every step a sacred flame, throne exalt Jah holy name. People gather on the plain, throne of dawn break every chain. Songs of freedom fill the air, throne of dawn is standing there. No more silence, no more war, throne of dawn open door. Every nation side by side, throne of dawn remove the pride. Fisher cast upon the sea, throne of dawn bring destiny. Farmer till the blessed ground, throne of dawn spread peace around. Teacher speak with wisdom true, throne of dawn shine ever new. Babylon throne collapse and fall, throne of dawn outshine them all. War carry and kneel the weapon down. Throne of dawn bring healing crown. Every scar and every tear, throne of dawn remove the fear. Children laugh and elders sing. Throne of dawn, crown Jah King. Glorious fire, bold and free. Throne of dawn, eternity. Everlasting morning flame. Throne of dawn remain the same. Never fading, never gone. Throne of dawn keep burning on. Every sunrise sing again. Throne of dawn remove the pain. Sacred kingdom strong and true. Throne of dawn for me and you. Rise, rise, shining flame. Throne of dawn exalt your name. Glow, glow, morning bright. Throne of dawn keep holy light. Sing, sing, bold and long. Throne of dawn the righteous song. Throne of dawn pure and strong. Guide the people all along. Never silent, never still. Throne of dawn reveal Jah will. Forever glowing, bold and free. Throne of dawn eternity. Crown the morning, lift the day. Throne of dawn, light the way.
Aye, Zion reggae, yeah, man. Me feel the flame start grow deep in my soul below. Jah whisper in my ear, no fear. Me light the match of truth since me youth. Me walk through fire long, still me strong. Them test me heart and soul, but Jah control. Me see the system crumble down, still me wear my crown. Every spark me keep alive, Jah help me survive. Me burn for freedom, burn for right. Me shine my light, no evil can cool my flow. Me still grow, every scar a lesson learn. Every bridge me burn, me chant the flame of peace till it freeze. Fire within me soul, make me whole. No storm can out the flame, Jah call my name. Fire within burn bright, guide me through the night. Righteous heat inside, Jah me guide. Oh, me pass through darkness, yes, but me still blessed. Me heart no turn to stone. Me stand alone, me spark ignite the crowd. Me sing loud, them try to hold me down. Still me wear Jah crown. Me say the youth them lost, me pay the cost. Me teach them light, not gun. Fight with sun, the flame for heal the land, not destroy man. Each ember pure and true like morning dew. My fire eternal burn, every soul return. Jah wine from the flame, forever same. Fire within my soul, make me whole. No storm can out the flame, Jah call my name. Fire within burn, guide me through the night. Righteous heat inside, Jah me guide. Summer blaze till my days done. Fire of the sun, keep it bright, my friend. No end, no end, no end. Zion in the jungle, yeah man. From Zion hills I chant to rise. Holy
holy sound reach to the skies. Song of mercy, song of peace, song of Jah brings sweet release. It heal the broken, lift the low. Song of Zion never flow. Every note a prayer divine. Song of Jah forever shine. Song of Zion strong and true. Sing for I and sing for you. Every rhythm, every drum, call the kingdom yet to come. The drum beat roll, the trumpet sound. Song of Zion shake the ground. It echo wide, it echo deep. Song of Jah no man can keep. Forever flowing, never end. Song of Zion feel we friend. It guide the nation, guide the youth. Song of Jah eternal truth. Me lift me voice, me heart rejoice. Song of Zion holy choice. It chase the fear, it chase the night. Song of Jah eternal light. No chain can bind, no wall can hold. Song of Zion more than gold. Forever chanting, strong and free. Song of Jah for you and me. It rise at dawn, it blaze at noon. Song of Zion never soon. It heal the sick, it bless the meek. Song of truth all people seek. Forever shining, never dim. Song of Jah eternal hymn. No end in sight, no fading sound. Song of Zion always found. When the trumpet call again, Song of Zion still remain. It rise eternal, never cease. Song of Jah eternal peace. From heaven high to earth below, Song of Zion always flow. Holy chant and holy fire. Song of Jah lift higher. Sing loud, sing clear. Song of Zion always near. No hate, no chain can silence sound. Song of Jah forever found. Song of Zion strong and true. Sing for I and sing for you. Every rhythm, every drum, call the kingdom yet to come. From first voice to endless day, Song of Zion always stay.
Mansa, Davai, Kruti Kazak. Step by step upon the way, Zion light guide night and day. Through the valley, through the storm, Jah keep the people safe and warm. and reggae, yeah man. Early in the morning, sunrise in gold. Me light up the chalice, give thanks for the soul. Birds them a chant and the breeze whisper low. Rasta man walk on the green earth slow. Roots in a me veins, Jah fire in a me chest. Meditation deep, me spirit manifest. In a silence, me hear the truth confess. Life a secret, no need for stress. Smoke, meditate and elevate. Open up the mind, don't hesitate. Zion calling, me can't be late. One love, one path, me walk straight. Fire blaze, but me heart stay cool in a wisdom. Me a swim Jah rule, no Babylon pressure, no more fool. Me stand tall, Rastafari school. Me say cleanse the soul like river wash stone. Drop the ego, standing truth alone. High grade aroma, touch throne. In a harmony, me build a new home. Herbs for the healing, herbs for the light. Me no need no pills, Jah guide me sight. One draw bring me close to heights. See visions in a star, them bright. Every puff of prayer, every breath divine. Link with the cosmos, me feel the sign. Time and illusion, me step out a line. In a timeless space, Rasta man align. Drums beat low like ancient code. Ancestral voices in a reggae mode. Me dance with the moon, me chant with the trees. Me reason with wind, me float with ease. This journey not just about blaze and chant. It's about roots and culture. Oh, you plant the seeds of love in heart, them grow. Till the whole world feel the righteous flow. Smoke, meditate and elevate. Open up the mind, don't hesitate. Zion calling, me can't be late. One love, one path, me walk straight. Fire blaze, but me heart stay cool in a wisdom. Me a swim Jah rule, no Babylon pressure, no more fool. Me stand tall, Rastafari school. I tell food pon the fire bubbling sweet. Yam cassava, no blood, no meat. Levitic clean heart, skip no beat. Balance me life, me not taste defeat. Sister and brethren gather in a circle. Share word, share herb, we never commercial. The vibes them pure like river universal. Unity real, no superficial. Chalice pass with respect and care. No greed, no rush, we aware. Each draw sacred like breath of air. One heart, one mind, one love declare. So when you feel lost, remember this line. Smoke with intention, align the mind. Meditate deep, leave Babylon behind. In a Jah light, true peace you find. Zion echoes like thunder roll. Reggae wisdom, fi heal the soul. This not just music, this is control of self, of love, full whole.
Smoke ganja and Zion reggae. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Me close me eyes, me hear the drum. Jah kingdom come. Why not whisper Rasta song where me belong? Light shine bright on my face. Jah embrace. Me lift his spirit strong. Walk Jah road long. Me soul eternal flame, no shame. Every trial me survive. Keep love alive. The world may turn cold, but me heart bold. Me see the greed take hold, but Jah story told. shine. Me chant for peace and light through the night. Through the night. Me standing at the circle strong, sing Jah song. Me heart beat like Naya Bingy drum. Blessings come. Me draw the path of grace in every place. Me heal through word and sound. Love all around. Me soul no fear no end. Life transcend. Each breath me take for Jah. Pure hallelujah. Spirit never fail. Jah foundation lay. Me dwell in higher state. Rasta soul eternal, life universal, love never done under the sun. Rasta soul divine, forever shine. Me chant for peace and light through the night, through the night. We fade into Jah breeze, soul at ease. Rasta soul eternal flame, forever the same.
Na ganja, na reggae, yeah, man. Oh yeah. Me rise with the morning breeze, cool wine through the trees. Me heart clean, me spirit high. Light of the sun paint up the sky. Jah voice echo through my chest, guide my soul to do the best. Them build walls and claim the crown, but righteousness can't drown. Me walk barefoot on holy ground, hear the ancient sound. Each drum beat tell me tale, true struggle me prevail. Light from Zion, strong and wide, keep the darkness from inside. Missy mothers cry for bread, children sleep without no bed. Still the roots remain unshaken, spirit never forsaken. No matter the trial me face, me move in Jah grace. Every storm bring clearer view, love still shine through. Wow, yeah. Roots of the sun grow deep in a we. Light for the blind, truth for the free. Roots of the sun never fade away. Bless up the night, bring the day. Me chant for the youth them lost, guide them cross. Me sing for the sister who cry. Every melody heal the land by Jah hand. The roots still strong beneath the sun, righteous stand. Me no seek vanity or fame, me chant Jah name. True thunder, true star, me keep heart warm. When Babylon crumble down, Jah wear the crown. Roots of the sun still blaze, forever in praise. Me no fear the fire, me no fear the night. Me walk in Jah light. Every shadow fade away when love all sway. Truth is a river, pure and free. Flow through you, flow through me. Roots of the sun grow deep in a we. Light for the blind, truth for the free. Roots of the sun never fade away. Bless up the night, bring the day. I make roots of the sun burn bright and clear. Jah love always near. Roots of the sun forever strong, keep the world in a song. So when darkness cloud your view, remember Jah light in you. Roots of the sun never
fight.
Na na na, na 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 na, na na.
Morning gold, touch me face, warming every weary bone. A signal that a brighter path, ready fi become me own. Me stretch me arms, me breathe the light, feeling strength return again. New beginnings shape the day, chasing out the past old pain. The streets awake with fresh ambition, footsteps tapping hopeful beat. Me walk slow but steady forward, grounding courage in me feet. Everything around me shift, turning pressure into fire, helping me fi climb above doubt, rising steady, rising higher. Me watch the skyline, greet the dawn, painting colors bold and sweet. Every shade a different blessing, every tone a victory meet. Me hold me dreams like precious gold, guarding them through storm and trial. Knowing greatness built through patience, mile by mile and while by while. Golden step rising high, reaching far across the sky. Lift the spirit, break the chain, wash away the darkest strain. Golden step rising true, shaping futures bright and new. Every moment, every stride, keep the fire strong inside. The day unfold with lively spirit, open doors me never see. Me find courage in my journey, pushing boundaries, feet be free. Obstacles may try to block, but me heart refuse to sway. Strength I build in every moment, lighting up a brighter way. Me see faces full of hope, moving onward with the flow, sharing steps and silent prayers, lifting hearts that moving slow. Together we create a path, weaving growth in every space. Golden steps unite we all, shining with a steady grace. Hold your ground, walk your road, carry light, release the load. Every sunrise bring a chance, time fi shift, time fi advance. Let the courage lead your day, keep the shadows far away. Golden step rising high, reaching far across the sky. Lift the spirit, break the chain, wash away the darkest strain. Golden step rising true, shaping futures bright and new. Every moment, every stride, keep the fire strong inside. So when doubt come creeping slow, remember how you rise each time. Look within and see the glow, beating strong in steady rhyme. Golden steps remain your guide, through the trial and the test. Lift your mind and heart above, walking forward truly blessed.
Gone deep in the jungle. Oi, oi, oi. Zion deep in the jungle. Ay, 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 ay. Zion, ay, 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 ay. Ah. Lightning carve across the sky, crown of storms is lifted high. Thunder roll with holy sound, crown of storms shake all around. Babylon throne begin to bend, Crown of storms bring judgment end. Every cloud a fiery flame. Crown exalt Jah mighty name. Prophets stand up on the hill. Crown of storms reveal Jah will. Every strike a holy word. Crown of storms cannot be blurred. Darkness scatter, chains undone. Crown of storms bring morning sun. Every roar a sacred sign. Crown of storms declare divine. Baya 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 baya. Voices chant across the land. Crown of storms strike Babylon and walls of pride them fall apart. Crown of storms touch every heart. Kings them tremble, eyes exposed. Crown of storms keep truth composed. Even night cannot conceal. Crown of storms forever real. Farmer kneel up on the ground. Crown of storms send rain around. Fields of hunger start to grow. Crown of storm let mercy flow. No more famine, no more pain. Crown of storms restore again. Every harvest bold and free. Crown of storms bring victory. Generations singing ah. Crown of storm fulfill the law. No corruption I deface. Crown of storms bring holy grace. Nations bow and nations pray. Crown of storms reveal the way. Babylon pride must fade away. Crown of storms declare the day. Baya 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 baya. Why? Generous blaze upon the height. None of storms keep burning bright. Everlasting, bold and pure. Crown of storms will still endure. Every spark a righteous fire. Crown uplift the spirit higher. Eternal blaze no one can tame. Crown of storms remain the same. Crash, crash, thunder flame. Crown of storms exalt your name. Shine, shine, lightning true. Crown of storms protect the crew. Roll, roll, heavy sound. Crown of storms shake the ground. Crown of storms fierce and high. Judgment blaze across the sky. Never fading, never gone. Crown of storms keep rolling on. Forever roaring, bold and bright. Crown of storms shine your light. Strike the darkness, break the chain. Crown of storms bring peace again. Bye, 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 bye.
Zion roots, yeah man. Golden gate
down by Riverside with Zion, yeah man. Flowing down from Mountain High, underneath Jah blessed sky, crystal clear and cool me hand. Water pure fi heal the land. Every drop of holy grace reflect the sunlight on Jah face. River of Zion never dry, carry hope as it pass by. River of Zion deep and wide, carry the truth on every tide. Wash away the pain and wrong, fill the heart with Jah song. Me kneel beside the river bank, give me thanks, me praise, me frank. It feed the root, it feed the seed, it give the earth all she need. Children splash and elders smile, water run for mile and mile. Every ripple, every wave, tell the story Jah once gave. When the droughts are burn the plain, river come with healing rain. Babylon dam can't stop the flow, from Jah mountain it will go. It cool the heart, it calm the mind, bring the peace we all must find. Through the desert, through the storm, river keep we safe and warm. Me follow stream to valley deep, where secrets of creation sleep. The fish them swim, the birds them call, river bless and feed them all. No greed can take, no man can own this water from Jah alone. It teach the youth how life will stay when we live in Jah way. Before the moonlight touch the wave, river sing fi all Jah save. From dawn till night, from year to year, river keep the spirit near. It never stop, it never rest, Jah creation at its best. River of Zion always run, till the works of Jah are done. Flow strong, flow slow, carry the seed till it grow. From hilltop high to ocean wide, river bring Jah love inside. No chain, no gate, no wall can bind. Water of life for all mankind. River of Zion deep and wide, carry the truth on every tide. Wash away the pain and wrong, fill the heart with Jah song. From source to sea, from start to end, river of Zion, eternal friend.
Aye, ganja and coconut jaman. Me waking at the dance so clean. Jah bless me sin. Me smell the earth, the breeze, the dew. Life feel new. Bird them sing a joyful tune. Zion me home. Me rise from the humble clay. Give thanks for another day. The mountain whisper peace. Me soul release, me see see the sun paint the sky golden eye. Every leaf me see a prayer, Jah always there. Me walk through fields of light, no more night. Every shadow fade away, Jah guide me way. Me hold me staff, me trod my path, free from wrath. Each breath me take, me know Jah river flow. Way Zion morning shine, bless the heart of mankind. Every tear wash clean, truth unseen. Zion morning rise, open up me eyes, Jah light divine, forever mine. Me sit and reason with the breeze, soul at ease. The lion roar for truth again, break the chain. No money, no crown, no fame can match Jah name. Me plant hope deep inside, me never hide. Me hear the children play below, love overflow. Me give them roots to know how to grow. Zion teach the simple way, live and pray. Me chant till my voice gone, still carry on. Zion mountain top, Jah rule over all. Me heart belong there, true, forever new. Way Zion morning shine, bless the heart of mankind. Every tear wash clean, truth unseen. Zion morning rise, open up my eyes, Jah light divine, forever mine. So when the night come again, me feel no pain. Zion morning wait for me eternally.